Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends we'll do comparison between Arch Linux and Mac OS. So guys, let's get started. First, Arch Linux, guys. It is a very powerful minimalist Linux distribution designed for users who want total control over the system and software features, learning playlist model and edge backing, and the guys vast community driving extended functionally have made multiple functions option, and you can regular manual maintenance, and you making best suited advanced users. So Mac OS, guys, it is like highly optimized operation system, and they designed for Apple guys, and it is offering integrations across device and industry, leading users experience and provide stability and security professional guard ecosystem. And guys, for creative and developer, especially with tools like Ash links. So guys, this is to software both for system to control the system and ecosystem, and to optimize your system. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you.